special for you. What do you want? What do you want? Let's see, feisty.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. I like the way you braced your floor, or your box to your back trunk hatch.
I can tell you everything. Let me know when you're ready.
I'll go inside to do that. Yeah, I just like to look at everything.
Not many people are running these.
That's the ZAD 17.
The big one, yeah.
13.5, yeah.
Yeah, dope.
Yeah, I've ran it for a few months.
So in here there's an FI BTL4.
Okay.
There is a massive audio hippo. Very red sound. I mean a Gordo, which is a big one.
Yep.
And as you can tell, I got two separate boxes. One's a 4th order and one's a regular reflex. But they're both playing together.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go.
Nice. All right.
So your name, man? What else in here?
All right, my name is Alex, and I'm running the ZAD 1700, which is about 30,000 watts RMS. I've got two 12s. Okay, so one is the FI BTL4, right? And that's a 3,500 RMS. And I've got the Gordo, the massive audio Gordo, which is also around 3,000 RMS. Two separate boxes, one 4th, one regular, and they're playing together.
Okay.
Okay. So as you can tell, we got Zapco for the tweeters, right? We got an NVX. This is all D class. Everything is D class in here. I don't do AB class, right? Yep. So we got that for the back deck. See the back deck? We got all that up there. 4 6.5s, 4 horns, and 4 super tweeters. And then we got old school processing from Kicker. OG stuff.
Oh,
You
yeah.
recognize that.
Yep, a little bit.
The cool thing up here, when you're ready, is that the factory radio is fully functional. I've bypassed it and my system runs here.
Okay.
Directly to the phone.
Oh, so you're able to use your radio and your aftermarket?
Yeah. So when I'm not trying to be loud, I can just turn this on and listen to the news and regular bullshit, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
So could you kind of explain, I saw in the back,
Right.
with the longer box and the other, so this, the way your port is, sorry.
Yeah.
So like a 4th order band pass?
This is a 4th order band pass. So
Okay.
so the way the sub sits, if you look into the port, the sub is...
Oh, so it's inverted.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's inverted. So the seal section is on the bottom. I don't know if you can catch it.
I see it, yep.
So the magnet is up.
Okay.
So that's a tuned 4th, right? And that 4th is tuned to about 30 hertz.
Wow.
Now on
that's
this,
unique.
yeah, and on this side, you'll hear it in a minute. And on this side, we have a regular reflex. You see the slot? And that's tuned to about 37.
Okay.
So I'm playing flat from about 29 all the way up to about 60 flat.
Wow, okay.
And then the back deck is tuned to fill in directly behind after the subs.
Yes, sir.
Now here's another cool, interesting part. Open that door real quick. Let me just so we can see it.
All right.
This is a fully tuned ported enclosure here.
Okay.
The BMC. Yeah, 400 watt RMS BMC mid-range, super mid-range.
Yeah.
In the middle, there is a horn-loaded tweeter in the middle.
Okay.
You see it?
Yep.
Now if you look up top here, you'll notice there's still more. These are studio speakers. So it hurts right here.
Yeah.
And that's designed to give you that upper level fill.
Okay.
Top end.
Sound like you try to have a good balance of bandwidth from probably what, low 20s all the way into 18 to 20 kHz.
It plays wide all the way across with a lot of fucking power.
Okay.
I see the kids like that.
Yes, sir.
But
and this subwoofer amplifier, the way it's mounted with the impedance, like what is your impedances on those amps?
so right, I haven't clamped it. But so let me give you an example. I was running an HCCA 8K before.
Okay.
On the same setup, and it was sounding pretty good. This is about twice as powerful.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So I doubt I'm getting the full 13,000, but it's enough for those two subs, which are 35 each. You know what I mean? Yeah. So
okay, and that's at 1 ohm?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're right to 1 ohm clean.
Very nice. This is
clean.
the first time I've ever seen a box where you have a flat ported wall trunk, and then you also have your band pass.
Now these are two separate boxes. Because the only way to fit that amount of volume in this car was to build two separate boxes and then slide them in.
Slide them in,
Yeah, you couldn't do it in a one box. It wouldn't
Correct.
work.
Yeah.
Right?
Nice work.
So we're running Alpine for the head unit here. Old school Alpine, and I'm going to give you. Now, so I'm SQL. So high volume, but very, very clean.
Okay.
So you want to keep that door closed, or you want? Because I know
whatever's loudest is best.
Open that door.
All right.
We're going to let the people here.
Okay.
All right.
All right. more bass. That one has, you actually can't hear any distortion.
Oh, no,
You've done some good cleaning on tuning
I don't do
this.
distortion. So I do like studio stuff. So I want it to sound the way that studio would have it sound.
Yeah, you did good.
So now I'm gonna play something a little more dirty for you.
Okay.
A little more.
All right. And it's still loudest with both doors open with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just go right here real quick. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I know you got a lot to do today.
You're good.
Nice. Do along here. All right, do this one.
Pressure of the wind from that port blow.
Yeah, it'll get windy.
And it actually didn't fall off. I opened the door and then shut it to see the difference response, and it still stays flat.
Same.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I designed you can play it with the windows up or down.
Yeah.
But if I'm demoing out, I'll do it like that.
Yes, sir.
So you want one more?
Okay.
One
sure.
more. Let's do one more for you.
All right.
All right. Let me get you something special here. Let's do something special for you. What do you want? What do you want? Let's see. Feisty. Let's see. What should I do for you? Criminal. Trampoline. Like EDM?
Yeah, that's fine.
Actually, you know what? Let's do one more rap song. Fuck it. I'll leave it to next time.
How many times you shot that motherfucker? Ain't nobody popped up dead. That's how I need money. Shit.
Definitely getting down. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you. Your name again?
Alex.
Alex.
Yeah, Alex.
Nice job.
I'm going to shut it down, boys. You know,
Okay, yeah, shut it down, boys.
So Dave Cook, that's the, that's
Yes,
the
sir.
Yeah.
Did a really good job. Very unique, one-of-a-kind type of box.
I appreciate it. I can tell by your face you liked it.
Oh yeah, it's good. I like it. And you actually don't miss a beat on any frequency range.
Yeah, 'cause
So.
I like my music.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.